bad to you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Say hi, Gigi.
Hi.
Say how are you guys?
Hi, guys.
So we did stop at Dunkin'. Miss Kimmy is sleeping right now. She was so exhausted. So we went and got a few groceries, and then we're going to spend the day, well, not the day, but like an hour or so at the park. We're gonna eat our lunch there. We got some Domino's pizza. We just have to go pick it up. So we're gonna pick up the pizza, go to the park, let Gigi play at the park a little bit, because this weekend it's gonna be so cold and raining. And I'm like, Gigi just needs to go to the park. We haven't taken her to the park in such a long time. I'm sure she would have so much fun, right? You wanna go on the swings? The slide?
Do you want to swing and slide?
Yeah, you wanna go down the swing? I mean, on the swing and down the slide. Okay, yeah, so we're waiting on Daddy right now. He's in Stater Brothers. We cannot find those Gerber tomato basil little puff snacks that Kimmery absolutely loves. Like, Target's out of it. They only sell the apple sweet potato. So we're gonna see if the store has it. And Josh got me this sweater. Isn't it so cute? It's like lightweight, but it's super cute. It's like black and tan. And then Gigi is wearing,
oh no,
here,
I put it on.
Gigi and Kimmy are matching. It says I love Papa. She has the gray one, and then Miss Kimmy has the black one. I'll show you guys. As you can see, she's peacefully sleeping right now. Huh? I don't know what her obsession is with taking her socks off. You want candy, Gigi? I also went to Dunkin'. Instead I got a different drink. Got matcha.
10 cheese?
Mm-hmm.
Can I get one?
Cheese.
Can I get one? Can I get one?
Yeah, I'm putting it down here so Gigi gets distracted that I have it. Gigi wants to cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Everybody watching, smile. Cheese. I'll get it for you. Ugh. Y'all, the way that these kids, man, like, you know, I have a larger bottom half, so like sitting in the middle, it's comfy and cool, except when you have to literally maneuver. So the cheese. What age do you stop sitting in the back with your kids? Comment down below, because like I'm already over it. But I do it because it's like if they need something, I can tend to them right away versus sitting in the front. But I'm like, yo, my booty not getting any smaller, and like that. Gigi, you like your pizza?
Huh? Hello. Hi.
When did Gigi get so big? Woo! Go, baby! You guys liking the swing? You want to get pushed again? Whee! Hold on. Hold on. Whee! Yeah, say hi.
Hi.
You like it?
Yes.
Yes. You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah. Do you Ooh, don't lean.
There you go. Good job. Stay like that.
Good job, Gigi. Ready, set, go! Go, Gigi. You see the star? Try it, Gigi.
She said no. That's boring. I am.
Kimmy contemplating life.
The way she's sitting there, she just like, bruh, like, what is this?
Why is sun in my face?
Like, what is-
But nah.
We can be the best thing, yeah, the best thing. Can I be your bestie, yeah, your best friend? I'ma be the bestie, yeah, the best thing. We can be the best thing, yeah, the best thing. Can I be your bestie, yeah, your best friend? I'ma be the bestie, yeah, the best thing. Can I be your bestie, yeah, your best friend? No, you never run, no man if you're reckless.
Well, they're not like super damaged.
She a my type, I know that me know. Follow this a rat, but I know no Moses. Never see a lady, me never respect. Come here one time, see the nothing up there.
Wanting to try their pre-workout, and we got some in the mail from their PR squad, so I'm gonna try it out. I actually put the full scoop. I think it suggests to put half a scoop because you may get jittery, but I've had like C4s and everything, so I feel like I'm fine, but we'll see. Sucker tastes good. I'd say it's just like the energy drink. Okay guys, I'm about to work out. I feel like I have not been consistent like I could be when we got sick, and then Josh's birthday and planning for that, and I just kind of got lost in the sauce. I worked out like once last week, and yeah, I definitely just could be better. So I'm thinking of getting a gym membership and doing like the Stairmaster 3 times a week. I know that that is a full body workout, and you will see results from just doing that alone. Not saying that I'm not seeing results right now, but just like going to the actual gym, and you know what I mean, like just doing some things that I potentially can't do at home. But anyway, I'm gonna fit in a workout right now. Not sure what I think I'm gonna do like a Mr. and Mrs. Muscle, because it's like I like their videos. 20-minute full body workout, muscle and strength, no squats, no lunges, jumping, dumbbell, fat burn. Let's see what that is. What is it, 20 minutes?
So guys, I know you've been loving these 20-minute full body knee-friendly workouts.
I love knee-friendly workouts.
For you, so stay tuned. Now this one is going to be pure fire. We will be using dumbbells, and we will also be standing throughout the workout to save those knees a little extra. Okay guys, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like the workout, and also subscribe for more workouts just like this. Grab those dumbbells guys, let's do this.
I also like, I think I've said it before though in this video, it like shows you like a diagram of like like a body that and it's like highlighted in red of what body parts each workout is helping and working out. If I make so like if we're doing this, oh, it's working your bicep or tricep, whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna go and do this. Also, I need to get a new pair of black glasses because we'll talk about that after. Let's work out.
Okay guys, make sure to give this video a big
This is also a new video, never done it.
And also subscribe
Let's get it.
for more workouts just like this. Grab those dumbbells guys, let's do this.
Your girlfriend says she want it, yeah. Come up with more with the heat, there. And this are not Chinese keep, yeah. This are the real, yeah. Feel, yeah. Anytime them want it, yeah. This are the real, yeah. Feel, yeah. Make your girlfriend rock to the beat, and every gangster I move them feet, yeah. Well, I saw it feel, this are the real, yeah. Feel, yeah. You can be the best thing, yeah, the best thing. Can I be your bestie, yeah, your best friend? Give you one time, so don't ever house it. Jingle, yeah. We can be the best thing, yeah, the best thing. Can I be your best friend, yeah, your best friend? I can be the best thing, yeah, the best thing. You can be the best thing, yeah, the best thing. Can I be the bestie, yeah, the best thing? I can be your best friend, yeah, your best friend. Jingle, yeah. Can I be your best friend, yeah? Can I be your best friend, yeah? Can I be your best friend, yeah? Best friend.
Y'all, I just finished that workout. Oh baby, sucker was rough. Got a good sweat in. I saw a TikTok, and you know when you like, you feel like your FBI agents are just like really listening in, because I was just like at one point kind of feeling like not motivated to work out, and then like I got sick, and then other things happened, so I was like making excuses to not fit it in. And someone was like, it doesn't matter, like working out for however what version of like consistent is to you is better than trying to like cram like in a 3-hour workout session, which is like when would I ever, but like you get the example. I'm trying to like relate that like no matter, like progress is progress, like progress is better than no progress. And like I was being really consistent before the holidays came, so I just need to get into the back, I need to get back into the swing of things. Girl, I am sweating. I had to crack open the window because girl, it was hot. I'm like literally sweating. You could probably see on my face, it's a sweat. Anyway, I'm like, you know when you're like you're dripping sweat, like you sit down and then you start to realize like you're actually dripping sweat. That's me. Anyway, so I got the 20-minute workout done. Go me. And I'm also trying to do better at not body shaming my own self. Like I'm all for not body shaming anybody, but when it comes to myself, I do it so much, and I do it like not even knowing. I'm like, oh, I'm so big here, like, oh, that wouldn't look good on me because like my stomach is huge here, or like, you know, just negative little like remarks that are just not needed. It's not being nice to yourself. It's not benefiting you. It's not making you lose weight quicker. It's not getting you snatched quicker. Instead, it's actually doing the opposite. It's actually not motivating you to work out. It's also making you feel even more self-conscious about your body, when literally God loves you, big, small, super skinny, super big, whatever. God loves you. And I just need to remind myself that like God loves me. He does not care what my weight is on the scale. Now, I'm not saying it's bad for me to have like wants and like goals and desires for myself, for my physical health, but beating myself down until I reach those goals is not going to get me anywhere, like anywhere. And like God loves me, my husband loves me, my kids love me, and I have so much family and friends who love and support me. Like, why am I beating myself down so much? Like, it's just, it's not good. So I want to work on that. Like, not, you know, okay, my body is not where I want it to be, but I'm still beautiful the shape that I am now. So no matter what shape and size you are, there's certain clothes that you may think is just more flattering on your body type than, I don't know, like there's, you know what I'm saying? Like, for example, I really like high-waisted jeans. Some people don't like high-waisted jeans, but to me, high-waisted bootcut jeans flatter my body type. So I just need to go on the journey of finding clothes that I like on my body, because I think what I struggled with is that a lot of the clothes that I had were like pre-pregnancy body, pre-mom body, you know what I mean? And like it can be kind of discouraging when you like knew what you looked like in a piece of clothing and then you put it on and you're like, yeah, yes, sis, that's not the same. Get rid of it now, because you're not going to be that size again. Anyway, as a joke, I'm not mad, but anyway, so I am on the journey to just be more kind to myself about my body and how I look, and give myself grace. Like, I literally had 2 babies dang near back to back. So yeah, that is what my goal is this year and for every year to come, is just to be more kind, to be more graceful to myself. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Oh, let me show you the glasses I was referring to. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. If you've been here for a while, you know. But like, I've been looking for these glasses, and from first glance they look okay, but look at the back. Like, they're like uneven. I think I'm gonna go like on Zulu maybe and get some new black glasses. They're not horrible. Like, they still work. They could use a real good cleaning if I'm being honest, but I was like, where the heck are these freakers? Also too, Gigi did sit on this on accident, so that's another reason why, excuse me, it's another reason why it's a little but that pre-workout was so freaking amazing. Like, the way that I was zooming through the dishes and zooming during making dinner, or that's at least how I felt mentally, Alani pre-workout is fire, and it tastes super duper good. I did feel that little itchy, jittery feeling for a little bit, but it wasn't as overwhelming, because like if you ever had the C4 energy drinks, they give that same effect as well. But like at one point you just get used to it, or you get over it, or you just don't notice it. But anyways, Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I didn't give you guys a haul, by the way, because in the last vlog I was talking about all the things we got, but I still have packages coming in, so should I just do a one free-for-all haul when everything gets here? Or maybe I'll make a TikTok about it, or a reel or something. Anyway, follow me on all my other platforms so you can stay up to date with everything, and I'll see you guys in my next one.